1 out of every 5 planes built in this country was made there. But folks in Wichita say Boeing double-crossed them when it suddenly announced plans to shut down the factory. We asked Jim Axelrod to look into it.
Boeing has
The NWS Storm Prediction Center has issued Tornado Watch number 14 for portions of southeast Kansas, northeast Oklahoma, northwest Arkansas, and southwest Missouri effective this Monday evening from 7 p.m. until 2 a.m. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Destructive tornadoes, large hail to 4 inches in diameter, thunderstorm wind gusts to 80 miles per hour, and dangerous lightning are possible in these areas. Remember, a tornado watch means conditions are favorable for tornadoes and severe thunderstorms in and close to the watch area. Persons in these areas should be on the lookout for threatening weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Repeating, a tornado watch has been issued for portions of southeastern Kansas, northeastern Oklahoma, northwestern Arkansas and southwestern Missouri until 2 a.m. tomorrow morning.
The 8:30 p.m. weather update at McConnell Air Force Base in Wichita. Mostly cloudy, temperature 84 degrees, dew point 74, and the humidity at 73%. Wind southeast at 25 miles per hour. The pressure 29.94 inches and falling. The National Weather Service in Wichita has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Barber County in south-central Kansas, Kingman County in southwest Kansas, and Harper County in southeast Kansas until 9:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 8:39 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 10 miles southwest of Medicine Lodge, or 11 miles northwest of Hartner, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard: 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts and tennis ball-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding and trees. The severe thunderstorm will be near Medicine Lodge by 8:51 p.m. The storm will impact mostly rural areas of the warning area. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued for Barber County in south-central Kansas as well as Kingman and Harper counties in southwest Kansas.
The National Weather Service in Wichita has issued a tornado warning for extreme northwestern Barber County in central Kansas, Kingman County in southwest Kansas, and northern Harper County in southwestern Kansas until 9:45 p.m. At 8:58 p.m., a severe thunderstorm producing a wall cloud was located 5 miles northwest of Medicine Lodge, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado antenna ball-sized hail. Source: radar indicated tornado. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Spivey and Rago by 9:07 p.m. and Belmont by 9:12 p.m. This storm will mainly stay over rural areas of Kingman and northern Harper County. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building away from windows. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued for extreme northwestern Barber County, northern Harper County, and Kingman County in southeastern Kansas.
This is 89.1, your local public access radio serving the Wichita and Newton areas. The time is 9:45 p.m. We are just getting reports that a large tornado has destroyed homes in the town of Goddard, a suburb about 10 miles west of Wichita, with other residents receiving grapefruit-sized hail. Some of our workers here in Newton have been monitoring the storm south of here, and are telling me that they are witnessing the best lightning they have ever seen. While it has just started raining in Wichita, I advise listeners in Wichita to take cover immediately. Also, we have been told that the National Weather Service will issue a tornado emergency for Wichita in a few moments, and that the NWS workers are taking cover at this time. We would like to tell everybody that we will not be going off the air, as we are located 26 miles north of Wichita. The storm poses no threat to us at this time.
A tornado warning remains in effect for Sedgwick County until 10:30 p.m. This is a tornado emergency for Wichita and surrounding areas. At 9:45 p.m., a confirmed large, extremely dangerous, and life-threatening tornado was located near Goddard, or 12 miles west of Wichita, moving east at 45 miles per hour. In addition to a tornado, large destructive hail up to grapefruit size is expected with this storm. Locations impacted include Goddard, Wichita, Schultz, Dwight D. Eisenhower National Airport, Eastboro, and Wichita State University. This tornado is expected to pass through downtown Wichita in the next 10 to 15 minutes. This is an extremely dangerous and life-threatening situation. If you cannot get underground, go to a storm shelter or an interior room of a sturdy building now. Take cover now in a storm shelter or an interior room of a sturdy building. Stay away from doors and windows. Repeating, a tornado emergency is in effect for Wichita and surrounding areas until 10:30 p.m.
This message is from the Wichita Emergency Management Office. Due to the extreme damage from the tornado that swept through the city of Wichita, streets have been rendered impassable and countless structures have been leveled. Cleanup crews will be deployed to clean up the damage, and it will take days, even weeks or possibly a month, to fully restore power to some areas. A curfew has been set between the hours of 10 p.m. and 7 a.m. until further notice. Any person caught outside during that time will be questioned and put into custody. Please stay tuned for further information.
The following message is transmitted by the order of the Barber, Kingman, and Sedgwick County Emergency Management. An unusual event is taking place in Barber, Kingman, and Sedgwick counties in southeastern Kansas. At 11:50 a.m., reports started coming in that some hail from last night's storm did not melt, and small creatures have broken out of the hail. Their intentions are unknown at this time, but if you see an object that looks like a hailstone and is near grapefruit size, leave it alone and report it to local authorities. Also, due to the lack of power in Sedgwick County, emergency services may not be able to reach you if these creatures become hostile. Stay tuned to this local station for further updates regarding this situation.